Amukugambaho n'abanyamakuru akasheshekera izoba Sister Baganizi yashobora ngo ahubwo butagira ibyombeko birukumara kibagemeserize na nokshara muhendo gwabeji abarkwikiriza ishomeraho nasima government ahubwo kutwara ishomereri omwaka gw'2021 kandi nokshashura abashomesa 19 konka yashaba government ku ebombekera ebindi byombeko ebyakubasa kubahwera okwikiriza abandi beji okushomeraho
twine ebizibu bingi bituna muno titwine kirasi rumeze kutumara hamuna dormitories runda abana basimire kurara hate icyo kituhambiriza no butubane tuhandika abana basine kubanzane ya katanu tuhandika abana batayito habwo kuba kirasi zitwine na doms tizikumara Obwa hati ishomereri riruhabeji rukaga na 30 na nabakozi nshanju na mwenda watire hwabu 19 abarukushashurwa government kandi abandi nabashashurwe nshahe ya harubaju eyishomero mu mwaka gwe 2021 isomero rinu rikatwarwa government abo kuba riri somero ryombekera ha musinge gwekereza ya katolike bitu government ekaritwara okukonyeraho hati kwiheritwara ekasanga he byombeke biruho ebyombeke buruho na hati nibyo bicaroho nitusima government eyina basomesi 19 bekusasura bayitu teka tuhayire cyombeko na kimo nabwo iti nitusaba government twirukire
Sister Baganizi nashobora ngo barene bombeka ikindi cyombeko ecyakanyana kaguma muringo gwo kujaguza emyaka 50 ishomereryo riruho kandi no kucendezo mu ijurano omwishomero
tuchwiremo okujaguza emyaka 5 habo kusima mukama habwo isomero ryeyitu kumara emyaka 5 kandi tukachwa muno kuba no kijukizo cyekijaguzo kinu cyombeko cyayitu habwo kuongera kujaguza no kuba no kijukizo cyongana muno no kutukonyera kutungana kirase ziri kumara na dormitories ziri kumara nicyo turi kwetera government okutukwatiraho okutusagika nuko cyombeko kino kisobore okuhwa
Aneti atuheirwe omweje yashomira hishomereryo kandi ariyo mshomesa waho nashaba government okurugayo okubombekera ebibina byabeji kushomeramo amana n'oburaro ahubwo kuba ebibine by'ijurine.
We request the government to come in and help us to put on more structures. The classrooms we have are not enough and even the dormitories are overcrowded since they are not enough. We request you as government to come in and give in a hand.
Nashaba abashomira hishomeraho n'abasamariya barungi okurugayo kwatanisa nabo mukoro gwo kushoroze sente no kujaguza emyaka 50 yo kubaho kwishomereryo kibahwere okurwanisa omwijurano omwishomereryo.
Here on behalf of the parents, I'm requesting the parents to come. I'm requesting the OGs of this school to come on 1st October for a fundraising. We are calling you upon to be here with us because some of our buildings are in a sorry state and the classrooms we have are not enough.
St. Teresa Girls Secondary School Nyamigisa ni ishomero ryatandikirweho mugenzi Bishop Albert Edward Bahagarata omwaka gwa 1995 n'ekigendererwa cyo kubuturo mutindo gobyo bwegese ebyo mwana w'obwishiki no kuchendeza obutamanya ombishiki hamwe n'abakyara Gasha kwa Innocent atuganyira ahabwa Tayari West.